how I can make my car quiet inside. Patrick's garage. A lot has to do with the insulation, which just mislaid under my carpets and under my seats in the car. But we can add insulation to our car. Yes, if we have money, maybe we can buy sound deadening stuff. And you can add different layers of insulation and soundproofing. As you can see, I took out seats and carpets. Here in the trunk you can see dirt and strange anti-corrosive coating. Now, look under the car. Cat, go under. And that one goes out. Now, first of all, we're removing this crap. Water under it accumulates. Anyway, it's not improving our quietness inside. It was welding and not add sealant. This niche original, by the way. Strangely enough for this age, of course. But today we have deal with interior. How we can improve in this car interior? A lot of dust, a lot of dirt inside, under the seats, under the front seats. Here, vacuum cleaner can be useful. And inside this, under the seats longerons, also dirt inside. It gets through these ventilation holes. Horrible amount of dirt. Whole bunch of dirt. Maybe you not even seen that dirt before. I remember we repaired floor, plastic doorways, lower trims. Somewhere was welded floor in any time. Seats can be regulated. Between seats buckets lockers. Handbrake, we can say emergency mechanism under driver's seat. Air fasteners over a backrest. Retractors was removed when I removed carpet. Hair burn. How was burn so big hole? You see, I'm using vacuum cleaning for underseats longerons and floor so dirty underseats. Yes, we can find a little rusty, but it's just superficial rust. Emergency brake rubber cover. Under the pedals, a lot of dirt always. Airways for air passengers, we disconnect them. And we suspect that a lot of dirt inside. Screw put into its place. And now we wait to wash our longerons. As far as I'm concerned, this is original color, number 110. Under rubber cover, a lot of dirt also. Big plastic bucket with water, and you see water gets dirty. Central seatbelt lock, we're unscrewing it. This piece of green carpet, I suspect previous owner put. Also under this piece of crap, a lot of dust. Rubber plug from late Volvo model. It's oval, but we put it inside. And if you remember, I repaired carpet for the trunk. And you see, it's original carpet, rarity nowadays. And we not look into the trunk all the time, but it's so normally. But we sit inside the interior all the time. And here we need to clean all dirt carefully. Now we just take inspection. All was cleaned. Let's look here also. Drain, small drain holes absent. Strange, of course. Passenger side. Rust here just from little water. Here we'll put our insulation. Rear backrest with springs inside. It's original, but lowers it from 240 series without springs inside. Here you see these stupid covers. These niches in the previous models was used for the hot airways to the rear window. Here you see we just fixed them with additional screw. It will be better to do with both sides. And here screw fixing this crappy cap. For this we just need Phillips screwdriver, and we screw in this screw so it not wiggling. And now I think that these crappy covers can make noise during our trip. So anyway, we fixing them. And now we hope that our car will be quieter, more quiet inside. Hair always still should be in perfect condition. Between hinge body number. And you see I put this white stuff onto the rear backrest. Here this plate also was screwed. I fixed both of them. Emergency protective cover put in its place. And little bent at the edge of this crappy cover. You can buy sound deadening stuff. I get mine for nothing. So it can't bouncing now. Cut it to make sure it fits. We're going to check all the corners of our floor. So we see our floor ready. No dust, no big rusty, just superficial rust, yes. Here we can guess manufacturer paint, we see. Electric tape to securing our wires. Wires goes to the tail lights. It's not pretty ingenious. So if you are thinking about sound deadening, look at my own design. And this simple improving I can do for nothing. And maybe you'll try it out yourself. Now our carpet from 240 series, you see it's not fits 200%. But we have no original carpet. But if you have a lot of hundreds, you can buy one of them. Now carpets available online for a lot of models. I mean carpets which bends car floor. You see back seat in its place. If you do it yourself for nothing, you can save a lot of money for sound deadening stuff. And for those of you why carpets different, for the color, maybe you see this is rubber carpet. This is original 140 series. You see it was restored. I restored it with pieces of rubber, with glue. Was turned here, floor surface align. I can't find plunger and cover this decorative cover. So today's our work might quiet it down for quite some time. But you can add various layers of insulation and soundproofing. I don't add them just for cost purpose. I added only one layer just because of monetary difference. But you can buy and add a lot of them instead. Now, quite a few sound deadening stuff available today. half-inch socket for fixing our front seats. Do I put a lot of sound deadening stuff on it? No, I just drive it that the way it is. You see rubber mats exactly the same for the front and for the rear. You don't want to swap them out if you don't want. I fixed this plastic airway. Let's look at the rear rubber mats. We open the door and we see that they're exactly the same as which I used to the front seats. But originally front differs. And now, thank you so much for your time. Bye for now.